just start? I really don't know. It's been a long, long time coming, but I know I am here. Welcome back, guys. It's been a minute, it's been a while, it's been a long time coming, but your girl, she's here, she's back, and I'm really excited to be back. I really kinda miss these type of videos where I will just do my hair and connect with you guys and give you guys some advice and give you guys some product advice. And I thought it's been too long that I've really talked about my own hair. So my hair, it did grow, but it's really dry. So I saw this line from Creme of Nature, the coconut milk line, and I was really excited to try it. Like coconut oil, it softens and improves manageability. So that's what I need. I need to manage my hair again. I need some curl repair. Yes, please come through with the curl repair, because at this moment I cannot see any definition in my hair. Let me tell you guys, I really wasn't happy with my hair anymore, like happy with the style, because I've been rocking it for the last 3.5 years. So I thought something different, something new. I wasn't ready to cut my hair in that same style again, so I challenged myself to grow out my hair for a year, and now I'm in month 3.5, 4. So this is like major growth in just 4 months. I will show you guys how it was when I just started. And I wanted to bring you guys along with my journey. So if you think about cutting your hair, doing a big chop, or just let your hair grow out for a year without doing any crazy stuff with your hair, then this is your channel, this is your girl, and we're gonna do this together. And without further ado, I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'm just gonna repair this bunch of hair. Guys, it feels so good to be back. Enjoy watching. See you in the next video. Hey guys, so far so good. I really love how the products worked on my hair. So I will call it a day right now. I will air dry my hair so I don't have to use some heat, and I will come back to you tomorrow.